In this video, I'll show you how to find your lost AirPods Pro 2nd generation in case you lost them. So to do so, all you have to do is to go into Find My application. If you don't see it, you just have to swipe to the right here on the app library, type Find My, it should appear. Once you open the app, you should go under Devices, this category here. And then a list will appear with all of your devices, and your AirPods Pro should be there. All you need to do is to tap on your AirPods Pro. On the top part here, they will show you a map where they are, and right below here, it will tell you, well, if your AirPods Pro 2nd gen are in the case or if one is lost separately. Now I have my case with the left earbuds and the right earbuds is lost somewhere else. Now what it's left for me to do is to tap on either of these, depending which one I want to find. So to search for the case, I will tap the case plus left earbuds here and tap the Find button. It will take just a few seconds here. It will try to search it. And what's very nice about it is that it will tell you even how far you are from the actual object with an arrow. So if I'm turning around here, it will tell me, hey, no, you need to go there. It's not. And if I turn the other way, the same thing will happen. And the closer you get, and it's quite precise, the case is right over there in the corner, it will tell you to come closer. And once you're right over it, it will vibrate. And the screen will turn green and it will tell you that you're, well, right above it. You can also ask the iPhone here to play a sound, since the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation has a speaker on the case here. Just tap on it. And this is the kind of sound that will come out of the case. So thanks for watching. This was a small and easy tutorial. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment, and I will see you in the next one.